Hello everybody, I wanted to show you my blooms, my little buds on this plant. I decided to move them all downstairs because I noticed they bloom better downstairs with this big one that I have in a corner, and this one is full of blooms and about to open. Look at that, it's about to open. I need to water them because they are dry. I rarely water this, like, I'm afraid to kill them. I will show you why. Alright, so let me put that down so it gets there. And then on the bottom shelf I brought the rest of these ones. So this one is white, which apparently I didn't remove it, it's still there, and it is full of buds as well. So one side is white and one side is pink. See those buds? Oh my goodness. And it's touching the other one. There we go. Separate a little. It's full of buds. Look at that. Little tiny buds on this one. This one also has buds. This one was upstairs as well. And it has buds. And it has buds. You see, it is a salmon color and buds on the other side. These two are different, I'm sure. And there's this one, which I don't know, I don't have luck on this one. Keeps on dying on me, and I don't overwater it. That's one thing that I'm careful on, but only one survived. And that one is not happy, and it just droops. And there's another one over there. Only one has survived. I believe that one is a white color. And the ones, the Christmas cactus, because these are all Thanksgiving cactus, and the Christmas cactus, they all died on me. I don't know, I do not have a good hand, a green thumb for the Christmas cactus. I cannot grow them. They keep on dying on me. Now this one I have for quite a long time, and it's happy in that corner, and I have not moved it from that corner. It's been there. And look, again, it's blooming. It is blooming and blooming. It's really happy there. And it's just full of buds, little tiny buds. And I just wanted to share with you my Thanksgiving cactus. And we are in November, I believe November 4 or 3. I'm so happy that they are full of buds. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I just wanted to share with you and give you an update on my Thanksgiving cactus. Comment below, share the video, and thank you all for watching. Bye!